We're coming in. Oh my god, oh my god, look at the door. Okay guys, so one of my mods sent me a message letting me know that you guys had something happen, that the door had closed, and it has definitely closed. Can you open
that light?
What light?
It just moved.
What is that?
What is that?
Did you guys see that on camera? There's a light flickering somewhere. Okay, open the door back up so they can see.
Did you hear that?
Something camera. Did you guys hear that? Move the camera.
Come. Lucy.
Lucy. I left her upstairs. What did you say about the camera?
What about the door? 1 second.
I know, that's freaking weird.
Can I move this?
Yeah, you can move the whole tripod. Turn the light on if you want. That is freaking weird. That door doesn't just open or close easily. My God.
I can't debunk it.
I'm shaking a little bit. Okay, you're getting me. That looks like crap. All right, guys. Do you guys want to stay in the bathroom or should we move it? I'm just trying to read. Hey, mods, are people wanting us to keep it in the bathroom for a bit, or should we move it? Stay? Okay. Keep it in. Did you hear that? That's what... Okay, I'm going to keep it on the door. See if we get any more movement there. That's really freaking creepy, though.
Just wait, stay. I want to see.
We're going to stay here for a few minutes. Stay in the bathroom.
We'll do something.
I know, I want it to do it while I'm standing here. But I'm cold.
It is freezing.
Hello. Can you move the bathroom door again? Show us you're here. Move the door. Door.
Whoa, get door. They said a name? Get door.
I heard that.
I'm out.
Don't leave me.
Well,
Okay, guys, I'm going with Jamie. Peace out.
where are we going? Oh, stay in there.
No, they want to stay in the bathroom for a bit. So we'll leave for a bit again. Oh, no.
Oh.